Yes, man. You're gonna do it. Let's try to do it, man. It's not so hard. Hey guys, how are you doing? Good. I was invited to come here and teach English. And guess who my student is? Him. Chewbacca. It's not so easy to teach this guy English, but I think I can do it. Alright, Chewbacca? Ready to start it? Então, eu fui convidado a ensinar inglês para esse cara. It's not so easy. Não está sendo tão fácil. So easy, tão fácil. But let's give it a try. Vamos tentar o básico. So, I know his name is Chewbacca, but let's see. What's your name? What's your name? Say, my name is Chewbacca. What's your name? You know, right? Vocês podem pronunciar rápido. What's your name? Ou what's your name? Devagar, mas não é muito usual. Melhor dizer what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Oh, repeat. My name is Chewbacca. Did you get what he said? I got nothing. I got nothing. Não entendi nada. And you? Let's try a little bit more. Where are you from, Chewbacca? Where are you from? De onde você é? So, I am from Brazil. He is from... By the way, do you know where this guy is from? Because I have no idea. Where are you from? Say, Chewbacca, I am from... And your planet, country, I don't know. Guys, this is so hard. One more time. How old are you, Chewbacca? How old are you? Quantos anos você tem? Tem, vocês sabem que é have. Mas nessa pergunta vocês dizem How old are you? How old are you? E para responder I am 34. I am 25 years old. Vocês podem dizer years old ou somente a idade. I'm 34. I'm 25. Let's see how old he is. Vamos ver quantos anos ele tem. How old are you, Chewbacca? Oh. I got nothing again. Não entendi nada. Guys, so I will be here talking to this guy. Eu vou tentar conversar um pouco mais com ele. Se ele aprender alguma coisa, eu posto. Vamos ver. Vocês acham que ele vai aprender? E a propósito, se alguém souber de onde ele é, where he is from, tell me because I have no idea. So goodbye. Goodbye. See ya. Yeah. Where are you from? Oh.